Friday morning, you're going to see a miraculous change now. We started to sort the pond stuff out. So we're measuring up the filters, which you'll see later. What we're currently doing though is gutting all of this area here and cleaning out the fry tank. So, or they're going to be the fry tank. So just stay there and we'll start the pump up. So what we're doing is we're pumping it into the main pond. Because I can't be arsed to wind all the cable and all the pipe all the way up to the drain, which happens to be all the way up there in the drive. Yes, monster way to go. So Fridays are koi days. That's what we're doing. Plan today is to get the outside of this painted black and to hopefully, if it's dry, move it down there or close. See what the pipe work and the pump work and everything's going to do. Got to build a frame to go on the back to put the filter units. Think I'm going to use the ORs that I used to use on the main pond on the top. We'll see. I did buy a pressure filter, yeah, you saw that. So we'll just wait and see what goes on. What we will do though is while this is emptying, we'll take you the obstacles we create ourselves, take you to the koi shed. There's a lot's happened since you were in here last. Oh yes. Bought some proper shelving. This stuff, rock solid. So I didn't film it, but we've moved it almost everything out of the garage now. So we've got all the pipe work on this unit here. Next one we got electrical equipment and building equipment, lights, test kits. Other one is miscellaneous, so it's filter floss, paperwork, lights. What's that in there? Oh, that's the guttering. Pipe work and some more pipe work. The only problem I've got is, if you can see down there, just about there, I'm actually blocking the fuse spur. So what I'm going to do is get an ordinary fuse spur down there, metal clad, so I don't smash it and replace it. Thought it's the best idea. All of this is singing and dancing. You'll notice here we now have a burglar alarm. So yeah, we've got a nice door sensor, and up in the corner we've got a PIR remote control, does what we need it to do, so gives us all the bits and pieces. So really pleased now. Looking down there, that is where, not where that filter goes, that's just looking at how much space I've got. Obviously that's the widest thing that I've got, which is going to be the moving bed, which will go all the way down here. But that's the length of the whole unit. What we're going to be doing is sorting a few things out here. I think the oops, sorry about the refracting then. By the door on the side here is we're going to be putting possibly the upflow filter. We'll wait and see, which will feed the backy shower, etc, etc. So I wish I got more than Fridays, but I have promised to get the lounge done and the suites on the selling pages, along with the fire and all the other bits and pieces. You'll also notice that we have a YouTube. We don't have my name yet, but maybe we'll get something to go underneath it. So that's what we're up to. Probably put the tripod up when we're doing a few bits and pieces. I say this is rainwater. Wouldn't believe it, would you? The amount of rain. So nearly emptied this out. Obviously the whole system's going to be PP'd, but we're going to paint it black, and then we've got black insulation to go onto it as well, and a nice tedious job of cutting out nice little squares and sticking it on, or we may just do complete panels. And then we've got loads of shiplap cladding to cover it. Put a big cover on the base. We're going to get some polycarbonate to put a lid over the top of it as well, so we can hinge it up and down. So quarantine tank, grow on tank, whatever we need it to be. So we'll be back soon. Moving on and showing you what we've been up to today. Lots of stuff has been damped out and as we spin you around here, lots of stuff has been cleaned out from here. And as if by some more miracle, I did work it out yet, but you know what things are. It actually bloody well fits. It's got to be raised up on wood so I can get round, but doors open and close. I have a jab light, nice lot of clearance coming out of said shed. Nice gap. That plant's not stopping there. There'll be a nice balustrade across there with a little gate, stop the little man coming down at the moment. So it's all coming on. But I must say, I painted this tank. Oh my god, it's black. The paint I've used is absolutely fantastic. I'll just get it here and show you. It's this Rainbow 1 paint primer in 1. Fast drying, environmental friendly, suitable for various surfaces. I've got to say, I'm well impressed. That's one coat of paint. What I'll do is I'll set you up on the tripod. I haven't finished painting it, I've got the other side and the top and everything to do, but I'll set you up and show you the coverage. Absolutely brilliant. Yes, we've got to tidy up before the wife comes home, otherwise she's going to go completely spare, but we'll see where we get to. Stay there guys, be right back.